Devastating, 2 dead, several hurt in big bus crash. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, damning Amnesty International levels serious allegations against Jamaican cops.
On the warpath, uproar in St. Elizabeth after a cop killing.
Unacceptable, the press tackled the PNP after reported threats against a cameraman.
Showdown, a preview ahead of the second local government debate.
In the business day, the gas tracker, the latest petrol prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary, as well as primetime weather in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Did last week's local government debate cause you to rethink the party for which you will vote in the upcoming election?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.